Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick guess what's in the box video. It's a pretty thick bag, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody? How's it going? Alright, so we got another guess what's in the box video, aka bag. So there should be 2 items in this. I ordered this a couple days ago. I think I ordered it like Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. There should be 2 separate boxes in here. But I'll give you the overall dimensions. So it is complete length of the bag is about 9 inches, give or take. Long, it is about 6.5, 7 inches. Wide, and it's a good about 4.5 inches tall or deep. What's in the bag, just to measure it based off what's in the bag. It is 6.5 inches long by 4.25 inches wide by 3.25 inches deep. So this is an electronic item, or items. These are for my laptop. Actually, they're actually for YouTube. I picked up a couple items, this exact same item twice for YouTube. What do you think it is? It's for the computer and it's for YouTube. I'll let you guys ponder on that. Just a quick video. Leave your comments what you think it is down below. Please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And today is May 29th, 2021. One last thing. Want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, watchers, viewers, commenters. Whether they're good or bad comments, you know, likes or dislikes, because you guys, the channel is now monetized and the channel is making money. So I got a bunch of things lined up for the channel for the future. We're going to be doing a lot of tool testing. We're going to be starting to do tool testing and you know, putting tools to the use, maybe doing comparison testing between, you know, the same tool like an impact driver or a hammer drill against several other brands. I got Milwaukee M12 and M18. I have DeWalt 8 volt, 12 volt extreme, 20 volt, 60 volt, and 120 volt battery tools. I got Metabo 18 volt and Metabo HPT 36 volt. As well as I have regular Metabo tools as well. We got Earthquake from Harbor Freight, tools we can do testing on, which I don't use anymore, but we can do testing with them if you guys would like. We got Makita 12 volt, 18 volt, and 36 volt X2 tools, as well as we're going to be bringing the 40 volt and the 80 volt tools to the channel from Makita that just came out as well. And Bosch 18 volt core. And I'm pretty sure I have several other brands of tools, just not thinking of them at the moment. But if those things are things that you guys might be interested in, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Thank you guys so much for sticking around, hanging out with me today, as well as thank you guys to all the subscribers and everybody for continued support. Very much appreciated. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!